Insta360 have recently added a freeze frame effect to the mobile editing app that allows you to get some really cool super slow motion shots. So let's get straight to it and take a look. The freeze frame isn't strictly frozen, it carries on moving very slowly to create a super slow motion effect. This isn't achieved with a high frame rate, which is how we would usually shoot slow motion footage. This is done with AI, and the AI detects which frame you want to extend, and then it extends it by artificially adding extra frames to stretch the shot out. It's really easy to do, and it can be used in a number of different ways. You can either let the action happen in front of the camera, like with the balloon pop, or you can jump in front of the camera, do a star jump, you can leap over the camera, or you can run and jump whilst holding the selfie stick. And the editing is also simple. So open up the app and connect to your camera, and then either edit your clip from the camera using Wi-Fi or download it to your phone. Find the point in your clip where you want the freeze frame to start. And now press the lightning bolt speed icon. Now select freeze frame. You can now choose to freeze the motion from 1 second, 3 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And you can also choose to have the freeze frame sound effect on or off by selecting it here. And once you're happy with your selection, press the tick icon on the top right hand corner. You can now see the area you have selected on the timeline, but you won't see the full effect until after you have exported the clip. And if you want to change or delete the freeze frame, then select the speed icon again, and now push on the number here just above the timeline and the bin icon will appear. Now simply press the bin icon and select the tick in the top right hand corner to confirm. Now you can export your clip by selecting the export icon here. This effect will not be as good as true slow motion, and because you are artificially creating new frames, sometimes the duplication will be a little bit poor and you do get some strange artifacts and lagging frames. The results you get with this effect will vary from one type of action to the next. So as usual, experiment with your distances and experiment with the way that you use this technique to try and get the best shot you can. And remember, when you edit, you've shot in 360, so you can also reframe your shot as well as doing a freeze frame. So you can add keyframes to add a tiny planet, an inverted planet shot, or you can simply zoom in or out. You're only limited by your imagination with this effect, so get out there and start creating. Tag me in your shots at Insta360 on Instagram. You can watch these two videos next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.